Okay, I am recording now, folks. Okay, so you guys, I hope can see this. And I'm talking about the shark on Pixlr. I'm going to go ahead and add a new image. Okay. Now, I'm assuming you guys already have your background photo and you want to know how to add pictures to that background photo. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to choose a tank to place on my tennis court. And we know that that's a form of dislocation because tanks don't belong on tennis courts, right? Now, I need to find a tank that I feel like is going to be easy for me to select. This looks like a good one. Sorry?
The T80U should be easy to Photoshop.
So I'm going to copy. Don't forget to raise your hand, folks, if you want to ask a question. Okay? That's kind of a rule. So I did copy it. Now I'm going to go to File, New. I'm going to just put it on its own screen. So I'm just going to call it Tank. Okay? Create and paste. There it is. Now it's awfully small. So what I'm going to do is just make it larger. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and use my, I'm going to use my polygon because there really aren't any, there's mostly angular type of the outline, in other words, the edges are not really curved. So I'm just going to use my polygon lasso and just a simple click. I'm not going to put a shadow on it. So I'm avoiding the shadow. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in because I want to see this edge right here. Okay, so I'm just going to sort of work my way around it. And it's really important that you guys zoom because zooming is going to let you see details. If you don't zoom in, and I zoom in when I check your work, I might see some flaws. So I want to see some good work, guys. You got a lot of time to do this correctly. Okay? And then I'm almost done. Okay. So I'm just doing small little clicks, small little clicks. Okay. And double click when you're done. All right, so looks good. I'm going to go ahead and do Control C to copy. Then I'm going to go over here and do Edit, Paste. Bam, a little large. So I'm going to reduce the size. I use my Arrange tool. You see that? Fixed. Make sure it's fixed or it'll get distorted if you use free. So we're going to fix it. There it is. Then you have to decide if it's going to interact with the shark or not. But what I would do is I would get your images, maybe get a couple at a time, and then you can kind of decide how you want to arrange that. I might put an ice cream cone, like one of those sugar cones, you know, with ice cream coming out of the large gun. So you're going to think of like some unusual, you know, ideas, because that's what we want to show during this surrealistic project. Does that make sense, you guys? So I'm going to stop sharing and let me know if you guys, well, give me a thumbs up if you guys kind of get it, if you guys kind of understand what I just did. Are there any questions? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the, let's see. I have got to stop recording. So how do I do that? Oh, here.